Welcome back. Got a strange one for you today. We'll get straight into it. So, I did plan today on getting a start on the next step of the project, one of the other projects. I actually got a vote up at the minute on my page just to see what you guys want to do next. However, it seemed as though over the weekend, the car show away, I may have been in contact with somebody who had tested positive for Rona. So I'm going to do something different today, on account of the fact that I'm isolated for 10 days and I am under house arrest, as it were. So what I've decided to do is we're going to spend the day clear up this little cluster and try and dig out and see what's actually under here. Just to get in preparation for possibly the next step in the project. Let's get it on, get it sorted. There we go, quick clean out so I can see what I'm doing. See, I can actually see floor there now, right round it. Let's unveil the future project. There we go. So as you can see, and a lot of you will probably know, I've been sitting on this one for a long time. It's a 91 plate Nova, was a wide arch kit back in the Max Power days. I'll put a picture up right now. That was how it looked. However, had a few failed attempts at putting it back together the way it should be now. Obviously doing away with all the big crazy bumpers and stuff.
Do you see anything wrong here? No. We got no windows.
As you can see, it's missing a very important part, which I had this for. I've been sitting on this for a while, but I don't think that's going to happen. No! This is what the K20 is going to be going into, the one out of the Honda. So the K20 into there, get it all put back together again. It's all smoothed out, no door handles, just a set of buttons. Inside's looking a little bit on the rough side. I do have bulk of the parts for it. I stripped it down, ready to well, ready to do a rebuild on it. You can see it's looking a bit, well, a bit more than a bit sorry for itself. But this is where we're going. I do like the wing. Keeping the wing before anybody says anything. So master plan for it. The stock GT bumper back on. I think I might keep the smoothed out tailgate because I do like the smooth tailgate on these. I'm going to keep the wide arches obviously. Probably going to get rid of these vents to the side because the original plan was to go rear engine with it. I've now changed my mind on that one. Probably going to keep that and the body kit. I might do away with the side skirts. I'm not sure. It's a bit up in the air at the minute. I quite like them, but I don't know. I think it may be just as nice just with no side skirts. The GT bumper, grille. I don't know where my grille's gone. I did have a GTE grille for it. There's a spare one up there. Oh, there it is there. You can see. Let's see, I can just. You can see the spare one just up there. I've got a plethora of parts for it to go on. And under there, I'll be honest, the stuff under there I probably don't even remember that I've got. But what I'm going to do, what I'm planning to do is get this back onto its wheels so I can get it moved and get it down the unit, get some work done on it. But this is ultimately going to be the next project. I'm going back to standard mirrors as well, just in case anybody was going to pick up on that. But that'll give you a clue there of how long since it was last on the road. That was a long time ago. But yeah, that's the plan. K20 Nova should have a bit of fun in that, I think. That's it, we're going to end it there for today. She's down on the floor, ready for the move to get her over to, oh, hold on, again, get her over to the unit. Pretty happy with that. That's all I've got. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you next time.